Hi, Steve from CSP Medical. Quick unboxing on a set of patient positioning wedges. So this is a company called Domico Med Device out of Benton, Michigan, and they manufacture various kits and individual sponges, again for patient positioning. So today I'm going to show you this particular kit. So there's two types of foam. There's what's called ultra foam, which is a closed cell foam, and there's also a scan coat, which has a protective coating. So you can request either type. The dimensions are the same. This particular kit has 4 sponges, as you can see, and I'll go over each of them individually here. So this is a wedge. It's 3 by 10 by 10 inches. So you can see the wedge shape there. This one is another wedge, 4.63 inches by 10 by 10. So a little bit larger wedge. And this one is even a larger wedge. It is a 10 by 10 by 10, which you can see there. And this one is a 6 inch by 10 inch by 10 inch wedge. So again, it's a closed cell, so it's easier to clean. You may still have to put like a pillowcase or a sheet over top of it, depending on the type of procedure you're doing. But these are durable, long-term sponges, and we'd be happy to provide a quote. There's many other options for this. We also have different vendors for sponges as well. So lots of choice. Reach out to our team at sales@cspmedical.com, and we'd be happy to set you up with your own sponge kit. Thank you.